for 6 months, so she can't use them till Friday. Come on. She was still going. Ready? Go, Nani. Go, Nani. Come on. She's not gonna get mad now. You're not gonna get mad?